Hey there, I'm CaliKim, and I want to show you something that I've made that will help gardeners all over the world grow your own fresh, tasty veggies in a way that's quick, simple, inexpensive, and fun. And this is it, the Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim Garden Subscription Box. Now, I've been teaching people how to garden from all over the world now, have over 1,200 YouTube videos, 500,000 subscribers, and 2 garden books. But watching videos is passive. The real learning comes in the garden. And with the box, you're going to get a monthly garden project, seeds to grow, containers to grow in, soil to plant it in, and some monthly garden surprises. You'll have written instructions on how to do your garden project step by step and access to an exclusive video where I'll be with you teaching you how to grow your veggies step by step. We'll be doing this together. You'll not only learn how to plant like a gardener, you'll learn how to think like a gardener. So if you want to grow, harvest, and eat from your own garden grocery store, click through to CaliKimGardenandHome.com and order your Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim subscription box today.